Hi guys, today is Wednesday, March 24th, and I just want to give you some instructions on what to do today while I am at a county meeting. You're going to be working on Euler circuits and paths today, and so you do have a page in your packet that's blank. It says Notes, Simple Paths, Euler Circuits. So again, you're going to go over here to your page. You're going to click to enter our Google site. Let's begin our unit. Or you can click straight up here. We've done our estimated time graphs, but if there's anything you need to go back and do in this lesson, you can use Study Hall today to take care of that. We've done our graph definitions, and this is where you're starting today. Again, you can click up here, Euler Circuits and Graphs. So I want you to watch this video and take notes on that blank page, and then you're going to complete the work in section 9.3 of your packet. It's got the bridge problems and the impossible doorway problem. All of that is there. Now you can check your work right here after you've gone through it. And I will probably go ahead and add in maybe tomorrow after you've had a chance to try it on your own, a video that goes through this. Anyway, so you're going to watch this video, take the notes, complete section 9.3. Okay, it's 2 pages, and a couple of examples and puzzles, and then you've got, the number 1, label the degree of each vertice, put a circle around the graphs that are Euler circuits, put a square around the ones that are Euler paths, and then number 2, create a graph of the following map and explain whether it is impossible or possible to pass through each door exactly once. So you've just got those 2 pages to do. If you have any questions or there are any issues, please hit me up through It's Learning. And I will see you guys on Thursday. Have a great day. Bye.